Good afternoon. We're looking out to the west along I-94 here in Fargo. You can see it's a wintry scene again. We're looking at some mostly cloudy skies. And in addition to that, we're seeing still some flakes flying around here this morning. And now into this afternoon, we still have some flurries impacting your afternoon planner. So don't be surprised if you see some of that here continuing through your day. In addition, of course, we've been getting more snowfall reports in from viewers. We're looking at a report of 4 inches of snow in the Bluffton area in Otter Tail County, and Otter Tail, the town, 2.5 inches of snow. Sebeka, 2 inches, and Twin Valley, 1.5 inches. In Fargo, we had about 1 inch of snow with that system that moved through last night, and we've got another round coming later today. It's pretty quiet out there right now. There are some places where we've got some mostly cloudy skies. Other spots over to the east where we're looking at more clear conditions, a little bit better of a chance of getting some sunshine there today. But anywhere where we do have these clouds moving through, the potential is there for a few flurries or flakes impacting us as we continue through our afternoon. And as we expand the view, you can see that system that hit us earlier this morning is moving well east of the tri-state area now, and we're quieting down for the moment, though. Again, can't rule out a flurry or two this afternoon. Temperatures have been on the rise slowly, and it's not a big jump as far as getting back toward average, which is kind of in the 20s around the valley this afternoon for this date. But it's better than it was. We're at 10 degrees in Detroit Lakes and Park Rapids and down to Wahpeton, 9 in Fargo, 1 in Grand Forks and in Langdon and Devils Lake. Those are the cool spots this morning. We also have some places where we're looking at some visibility that's down a little bit. We're down to 2 miles up in Langdon right now and 4 miles in Detroit Lakes. And the wind variable, but we're looking mainly out of the northeast on average with wind speeds up to about 10 miles per hour heading into the afternoon. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see those clouds and some spotty areas where we're getting some sun continue into the afternoon. Some places continuing into those double digits for your highs today. Relatively quiet here as far as wind is concerned as well. We'll see wind speeds that are 10 miles per hour or less in most areas. And then heading into tonight, this is when we start to see our next chance for snow move in. This is 11 o'clock tonight. You can see we're still pretty quiet even in our western viewing area, but that's where the snow is going to move in first. And as we head into the 5 o'clock hour tomorrow morning, we're going to see that snow over at least eastern North Dakota. This latest model run delaying its arrival a little bit, but still we're looking at that snow taking over and then just spreading through the valley as we continue through the morning hours. So this is going to have some impacts on your morning commute. And as we head into the afternoon, we're looking at conditions that are going to be a little bit more snowy later into the day if this delay does take hold. We're still dealing with this snow into the afternoon hours. Checking out your temperatures at that point, warming things up. We'll be back into the teens, even some low 20s in places down in the south, especially for your highs tomorrow. The wind turns to a northwesterly direction, starts to pick up, so it starts to feel colder on the backside of this system. And we're looking at a chilly Saturday ahead as that wind continues to drive in that cooler air. So here's a look at our potential snowfall. We're looking at a lot of places potentially picking up about 1 inch of snow by the time this winds down later tomorrow evening. And then there may be areas where we get in that 2 to 3 inch range, similar to today, with that range of about 1 to 4 inches. In your 7-day planner, tomorrow again warming up a little bit more with that snow moving in, and then Saturday dipping right back down into some negative numbers. And Sunday morning could be pretty frigid. We try to warm up from there, and we do a little bit, but it's not really a warm forecast at all coming up here. Tomorrow is your day if you want even a little bit milder temperatures.
All right. Thank you, Lisa. Straight